Live from the world's capital market, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by Skill Genic.
Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
The US dollar was slightly higher, capturing some safe haven flows as investors digested US President Joe Biden's decision to end his re-election campaign, which is expected to intensify volatility in the currency market. A jump in British household savings since the COVID-19 pandemic appears here to stay and cannot be fully explained by higher interest rates or unemployment fears. Analysis showed Britain's households saved 11.1% of their income in the first 3 months of this year, up from 5.8% in the final quarter of 2019. The S&P 500 and the Nasdaq recouped some of the previous week's losses as investors re-examined the chances of a second presidential term for Republican nominee Donald Trump after US President Joe Biden pulled out of the race. The dollar-yen pair saw a minor dip of 0.2% in the last session. The stochastic RSI indicates an oversold market. The Bitcoin dipped a slight 0.2% against the dollar in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the gold drop 0.6% against the dollar. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The oil-dollar pair plummeted 1% in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The US Redbook Index will be released at 12:55 GMT. The US existing home sales at 14 GMT. The US 2-year note auction at 17 GMT. The Eurozone's consumer confidence will be released at 14 GMT. The Eurozone's Eurogroup meeting at 7 GMT. The Dutch consumer confidence adjusted at 4:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.